With technology comes a new modern disease. Sitting for long periods of time in front of the computer or scrolling down on your device. Sitting for long hours creates a sedentary life that causes slower metabolism, back and spine injuries, and compromises your posture. In this yoga tutorial, we will explore the yoga posture that can create body awareness to sit upright while simultaneously straightening the back muscles. From the mountains in El Paso, Texas, to you. Start by sitting upright, lifting your chest and extending your legs forward. Seal the space between the inner thighs at the same time that you flex your feet by pointing the toes back to your nose. Align your shoulders to your hips and bring the shoulders down and back. It helps to visualize holding a pencil between your shoulder blades to create engagement. Press your hands onto the floor, framing your hips for extra support. Hold this pose for at least 5 breaths before flowing into another asana. Practice this pose regularly to stretch your hamstrings, relieve lower back tension, strengthen back muscles, and improve your body posture by creating awareness. Remember that it is important to gain greater control over your posture, so keep on practicing. From my heart to yours, Namaste.